Okay, so today we're gonna make Thai red chicken curry. So the ingredients that we will be needing are 340 grams of chicken, finely sliced, 120 grams of green beans, 3 stalks of basil leaves, 6 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, and here are some chopped corianders for garnishing. This is about 2 stalks of red chili, finely sliced, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 400 milliliter of coconut milk. And here we have our homemade Thai red chili paste. Okay, so here we have about 2 tablespoons of oil heated up. So next we're gonna insert our Thai red chili paste. So for 340 grams of chicken, we just need about 2 tablespoons of Thai red chili paste. So this we just have to give it a good stir. So next we have to insert our kaffir lime leaves. Okay, now we can insert our chicken. Okay, so now that our chicken is in, so give it a good stir. Increase the flame. Now once the chicken are slightly cooked, you can insert your green beans. Okay, let it sit on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes time to let it char the chicken. Okay, so once the chicken are well cooked, you can insert your coconut milk. So it depends on how thick you want it to be. Here I'll just pour about 100 milliliter of coconut milk because I want it to be slightly gravy and I don't want it to be watery as well. So just let it simmer in the coconut milk for about 2 minutes and then you can turn the stove off and serve it.